Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance app in Japan. Binance Japan is the official, regulated platform for residents, ensuring compliance with local financial regulations. If you previously used a global Binance account, you'll need to migrate to the new Binance Japan platform and complete a fresh identity verification process. New users can simply create an account directly on the Binance Japan website or app to get started with crypto trading. Setting up your account on Binance Japan is a straightforward process. First, register using your email address or phone number via the Binance Japan app or website. Next, you must complete identity verification, also known as KYC, using a valid Japanese identification document like a My Number card or driver's license. This crucial step usually takes just a few minutes and, once approved, will lift deposit and withdrawal restrictions on your account. Once your account is verified, you can fund it. Binance Japan allows you to deposit Japanese yen, or JPY, directly via bank transfer from a domestic bank account. After depositing funds, you can begin trading. Binance Japan offers spot trading for 34 tokens, including BNB, which was made available in Japan for the first time. Standard trading fees are typically 0.1%, and you can enjoy a 25% discount by paying with BNB. When you're ready to withdraw, you can transfer Japanese yen directly to your local bank account. Be aware that a fee of 150 yen applies per withdrawal. For cryptocurrency withdrawals, fees are dynamic and depend on the network status. Always prioritize your account security by enabling two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator, to protect your assets. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.